for making my custom avatars. And I will tell you my backstory. So, before I came here in Cluster, I quit on my gacha club hobby and looked forward to this 3D software called Bassic Studio. And when I was starting to explore Cluster already, I found out that custom avatars can be uploaded and used here. It's mostly on Android and some on DRM. I did not know that we can make 3D characters on our own and free, because I thought it would be impossible and it would be very impossible. When I was young, I kept on thinking all my life that making characters can only be made by professionals. I looked at the Bassic Studio's website and saw its beautiful and awesome features. It made me interested that I downloaded it. So I watched the tutorial and the basics, simple controls, and started to make my first avatars. And all that time, I also found out about the Unity RF. And I was frustrated because Unity looks complicated and I think it's very heavy for my computer. I told myself not to try Unity because I might mess things up in the end and it would be laggy and useless. And while I'm a cluster, I tend to get envious of your unique avatars and also my friends for having unique stuff. And I wished I have the same as yours. So months later, I started to explore tools and found free hair presets, and I thought, it's not all the time hair presets are just for normal forms of hair. It can be formed like sunglasses, ribbons, and also cat ears. I also found out that we can go beyond the provided parameters of the studio. Like example, 100 is the limit. But if we can type on the box that shows the parameter numbers, we can form whatever we desire. I started out fun and joined Android, and I kept on going on that software when I have leisure time. Then I started to create plans to create custom dresses. Then in March this year, I saw a free Unity package where we can show our Minecraft skins in VR. And it means one thing, the one I have feared for many months. Unity. Yes, Unity. Without hesitation, I tried it, and yeah, I tried it despite of my fear of having it lag or something. I just want to try it because my dogs really want to try it. And during the installation process in Unity, it looks laggy. My computer is already going. It keeps on lagging and I cannot do multitasking there. But when I realized on its performance, like when it's installed, when it does the stuff, it's already quick and swift. So I tested to make my first avatar using the Unity package, using both. Yeah, it forms like a Minecraft player and my character's design. And look what it got! Success! It worked! Yes! And it only needs more improvements. Vision, animation, and putting props. Yeah, that's why some of my avatars, whenever I'm on different roads, have most of them. And day by day, I started listing ideas from my head and noted on my notebook and creating more avatars till imagination's limit. That's why last April, there was a time that my Bassic Hub has daily uploads. And the software I thought was useless for me was a cool and fun thing after all. And I'm now using both Bassic Studio and TTVR right now. I really wanted to deal with Blender, but I uninstalled it. You want to know why? Because it keeps on crashing. Yes, it keeps on crashing. I tried to make 3D characters there, but it keeps on crashing. And I also found low poly characters. But every time I try to process, it keeps on crashing. So I will not do it for now. And that's all, and nothing behind the tell. Thank you very much.
憂鬱な日曜日の夜を素敵で素敵な時間にドレスアップ。5分で得意話をするエンターテインメント型プレゼンテーション企画ライブ TTVR。 各週日曜日クラスターにて開催中。登壇者も随時募集しております。詳しくはクラスター公式サイトイベントリストから、または Twitter ハッシュタグ TTVR からご覧ください。